Hello, and here we are now with a new twist on an old classic recipe, the banana split. So we get a scoop of ice cream and we lay it on the base, and a scoop in order to pick, and we place that on the base. Now we place our bananas and red, and then we place the banana, strawberry, and we decorate the ice cream with the mix. And to finish off the design, we have a few black blueberries, and then your hundreds and thousands. Give it a bit of colour. And then to add a little bit of class, we use Heston Blumenthal's popping candy. Let's give it a nice little variation of flavour. And there's a saying to put the cherry on the cake, or we're going to put the cherry on the ice cream. So you get a few of the glace cherries and just put them for effect. Now that only took a couple of minutes to make. Now that looks lovely. If you bring that to the table, it looks very classy, has a lovely flavour. You've even got your fibre day thrown in for good measure. What more could you ask for?